Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee at home. Start by gathering sugar, butter, heavy cream, salt, and a candy thermometer, then set a heavy saucepan on medium heat and prepare a lined sheet pan. Measure ingredients precisely and keep children away from the stove. I will walk you through stirring, temperature checks, pouring, and cooling so you get glossy, crunchy toffee every time. Heat the mixture steadily and avoid high flame to prevent burning or grainy texture, stirring gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Once boiling, clip a candy thermometer to the pan and watch for the hard crack stage at 300 degrees F, then immediately remove from heat to stop cooking. Stir in vanilla or toasted nuts now, pour onto the prepared pan, and spread quickly for even thickness before it sets. After pouring, gently tap the pan to pop any bubbles and smooth the surface for a professional look. If adding chocolate or sea salt, sprinkle it within seconds so the toppings stick as the toffee cools and firms. Cool the toffee completely at room temperature, then score or break into pieces with a sharp knife for serving, and store in an airtight container to maintain crispness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.